So Boeing continues to go lower. Our put position is working well there for us. We're also sitting on Apple and Tesla shares. We're just going to hang on to those. Not really going to trade those too much this week. And then we've also opened up some positions on IoT. That's the Samsara company, and as well as Baba, Lyft, and Target. Target, we've opened up a put position to the downside. The other three are just shares, so we're just adding shares to those positions. So overall, the market's pretty down overall. Yeah, everything's down. The Dow Jones, the New York, Russell, the NASDAQ, S&P, you guys know the Qs. Everything's down. So we're still suffering from Friday's sell-off. So SPY here looks a little bit indecisive. You know, it's got a nice support at this level here, which is probably about 508 or so. But it's just like, it feels like a dead cat bounce, right? It doesn't feel like it's got a lot of strength behind that bounce. Everything else, for the most part, looks a little bearish to me as well. So we got that CPI print tomorrow on Tuesday morning before market opens. So you guys tread carefully in regards to how you're going to position yourself going into that data drop. Big winner for us today has been Boeing. We are sitting on puts. We're already in the money on that as of this morning. And we're expecting it to continue to fall further. And we're going to practice a little bit of discipline this time around with our contracts and not try to get out of them too quickly and give them a chance to play out. Yeah, starting to see a little bit of a pullback here on some of the things on our chart. We also took a put contract on Target for Friday. 165 strike price is currently at 167.58. It's actually up a little bit. The contract is the premium on it. We're already in the money on that, making them some money on that. Chips look bearish to me, guys, so be careful out there. If you're an Nvidia trader, Marvel, AMD, SMCI, chips look bearish. Could drag down the entire market. They've been such a catalyst for the market. So if it helped it climb, it can also help it fall. See what you're saying. Oh, they got a commercial. Are they back yet? Yeah, they're in commercial. When these guys come back, CNBC, we'll listen to a little bit of CNBC, see if there's anything cracking with the CNBC commentators. They're the... Baba looks pretty strong. Target looks really weak, man. I wonder what's going on with Target. Is there any news on Target? Oh, they're the final trades. Those are from last week. Yeah, interesting how Target's reacting right now. A little bearish. All right, there's your pullback on SPY right back to this rising support here. We're going to see how it reacts. All right, there's Boeing at the bottom of our range here, starting to breach that. This was like a little dead cat bounce, maybe to get a little bit more bearish on it. Interesting there on Boeing. That should be the big winner for the week, man. God willing. All right, look like Apple here starting to really hug that 5-day EMA line. All right, losing support there at the bottom of the range for Boeing. Looking good there. Apple looking good there too. Little bounce on SPY, right? So what looked like we're gonna start breaching that support line. We're still riding that support, looking healthy there. CNBC is not back yet. Let's see what those guys are talking about. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Had to take that call. All right, so SPY is starting to break a little bit of the support here. Oh, yeah. We'll see how that goes. All right, Boeing's starting to get more momentum there to the downside. I like how Apple looks pretty healthy. Apple looks really healthy there. All right, Baba's looking solid here on the breakthrough. Lyft pulling back a bit. Target continues to the downside, and then IoT is just kind of chilling right now. Yeah, I like the way Apple looks here. Apple looks pretty good. Solid.